Today I'll show you how to set a voicemail on your Android device, and also stick around, and as a bonus I'll show you how to use your visual voicemail and to record a custom greeting. So let's start with setting up a voicemail. Find your phone application, and then in this keypad find your digit 1. Hold it and your voicemail service will be activated. So if your voicemail hasn't been set up yet, your phone will prompt you to do. The steps may vary from country to country and from provider to provider, so follow the voice instructions. And usually you'll be asked to create a PIN code, choose a PIN that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. And if your voicemail is already set up, you will have to simply enter your current PIN. Now let's talk about visual voicemail and recording a custom greetings. Once again, open up your phone application. At the top right corner, locate these 3 dots. Press Settings. Now you gotta scroll down to your voicemail section. Open it up. And here, on some phones like Pixel 7, basically all Pixels, Nothing phones, and so on and so forth, which support visual voicemail, you will see this option. This option automatically transcribes voicemail messages into text, saving you time but allowing you to read messages instead of listening to them. As for the custom greetings, once again, here, if your phone supports that feature, you'll see this setting. So find your voicemail greeting, it should be around here, and tap it to change your greetings. Then tap the microphone icon to read your message. Speak clearly, for example, "Hi, this is me," say your name, "Please leave me a message and I'll get back to you." After recording, listen to your greeting and decide whether you want to keep it or not. And basically, that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.